my Lc Orglades Grand, which got black rot on its newest growth, and the previous growth as well, so we had to cut it away. It was all black and doesn't have any roots and nothing, and all we have to rely on was this little nubbin here, the little eye. But you can see it's coming on, so, well, this guy, I think this guy is going to survive. But anyways, this is a rescue plant. It wasn't really that obvious that it was supposed to survive with the black rot and everything and no roots. So, yeah, this is in the category of rescue plants. In front of you, you can see a recent purchase from Sweden Orchids in Germany, Lc Orglades Grand. This is the new plant, and next to it you can see my old plant. It's also from Sweden Orchids in Germany, but this one, yeah, add a new pseudobulb here. And this is it. This is the plant I got the last time, and this is the plant I got this time. So this one is much healthier, and it's a nicer plant, and bigger, of course. And yeah, but of course, I don't really think this one is gonna die or anything, since it's got its little eye here, which is developing quite nicely now, as you can see. You see here? So, well, but it's sucking the energy out of the oldest leaves here. Since it haven't got any roots, I mean, two live roots, or at least they were alive. So, this one I will have to wait for another 6 months to see any progress on, I guess. So I wanted a new one, another one, since I really love this variety. So this is 2 weeks later, and this is my Lc Orglades Grand number 1. And yeah, this one has been appearing in quite a lot of my recent movies, or my movies. Well, I just thought I cut them together. And so I think in this movie it's going to be 3 clips from different stages, growing stages of this guy's recovery. Well, I'm not really sure that it's making any progress anymore. Firstly, the old leaves here turned yellow, and I was just thinking that it was sucking out the energy out of the leaves, and well, that's not a big deal. It's going to produce a couple of new leaves here as the new growth matures. So, but well, the oldest leaves fell off, of course, from this pseudobulb, and this one is now getting soft and discolored. And as you can see, the one before is really getting soft, and yeah, I think it's starting to, yeah, it's starting to rot here. So I might as well just take it off. Yeah, I cut it off later on. Yeah, but I don't know if the black rot, perhaps the black rot has gotten hold of this orchid for real, and it's no use keeping it, or it will be okay when this one gets matured and grows on. But, well, yeah, this is really taking a lot of energy out of this orchid, producing that one. But we'll see. I think I hope there's going to be another update on this rescue orchid. And if you don't see any more updates on this guy, yeah, I'm sure you know what's happened. The black rot took it. Just when you thought the video was ending, I have an update for you. A new one, a new update. Look. This is just a couple of days after I made this video, the last update on this plant. So, I didn't even have time to upload it before I saw this progress. So now I'm really starting to think that this orchid has got a future. Yeah, that's nice. I will keep you updated, of course. All right, yeah, this is a rescue orchid. Sometimes you fail and sometimes you get lucky. But we'll see, it's not dead yet. Alrighty. thank you so much for watching today, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.